Good morning! Another day, another mini vlog. Hello mga mommy! For today's vlog, tara samahan nyo kaming magbanding ng mga bata. Since half day lang ang birth ni Daddy B, balak namin pumunta ng Euphoria. Request talaga kasi ng mga bata na babalik kami doon. Last time kasi pagpunta namin, maraming tao at hindi namin na-enjoy yung mga rides. Kaso lang, nag-change plan na naman kami. Gahol na lang din kasi sa oras dahil may pasok pa si Andrea. At kung ipupush pa namin yung Euphoria, ay gabi na rin kami makarating doon. Kaya naman napagpasyahan na lang namin, naigala na lang sila sa SM.
Life still goes on outside my window. It feels kinda dumb. Wishing the world felt it too, but they don't know. Where do we go wrong? Mountains from molehills and games of telephone.
Dito kami sa isang shop, pipili muna kami ng pampabango sa sasakyan. Shangri-La.
Napabay kissing niya?
One call with life-changing news out of the blue.
Among bata, busy kayo nag-slice dire sa mga carrots, grapes, o guban pa. Dara di siya nalingaw, guys.
And I'm looking back on what we had, the good, the bad, the ugly. And I think I'm just a little glad to know that you once loved me, and it's true. You'll always be with me, 'cause as long as I'm alive. Even when I'm 50, I'll be replaying those nights. I play 'em on and on and on again. I'll never get tired of them, and I know that it's true. I don't think I'll ever be missing you. I won't ask questions. I don't want the answers to. I'll settle for the listen. Some things are better for moving on. It's just the way it goes. And I'm looking back at what you had. Yeah, it's kind of funny. You never know.